In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell ebooks on eBay in a complete tutorial. Selling digital products like ebooks on a platform primarily known for physical items might seem daunting at first, but with the right guidance, it's straightforward and quite rewarding. First, let's delve into creating your digital product. The most exciting part is deciding what you're going to offer. Could it be ebooks, training PDFs, printable planners, digital art, or even software licenses? The possibilities are quite vast. However, it's essential to ensure that whatever digital product you choose is either an original creation or that you hold the necessary resale rights. This legality is crucial for a successful and trouble-free selling experience. Now that you have your digital product ready, it's time to understand eBay's policies for selling such items. Unlike physical products, digital goods can't be sold through the standard auction or buy it now formats. This measure is put in place to prevent fraud. Instead, sellers need to use the classified ad format. Categories like everything else, information products, or everything else classified ads are perfect for this. Alternatively, a popular workaround is selling physical tokens such as CDs, USBs, or printed cards, which contain download instructions. With your product and category sorted, it's time to create your eBay listing. Head over to the Sell section and opt for Create Listing. It's crucial to choose the correct category, such as information products. If you plan on delivering the product digitally, you'll want to select the classified ad format. When filling in the details, make sure your title is clear and searchable using keywords like Printable Budget Planner PDF, Instant Digital Download. In the description, be very clear about what buyers will receive and how they will get it. Accompany your description with mock-ups or preview images which entice buyers without giving away the actual file. Following this, setting the right price and ensuring a seamless payment process is key. Choose a fixed price for transparency and predictability. Connecting a Payoneer or a bank account for payouts ensures you receive your earnings without hassle. Delivery is a crucial aspect of selling digital products. It's important to clearly state that what you're offering is a digital product, and no physical item will be shipped. Specify how you'll deliver it, whether that's via email, a download link, or cloud storage services like Google Drive or Dropbox. A tip for staying compliant while adding a traditional touch is to ship a small physical card with a code or link. Once a sale has been made, managing orders efficiently is vital. As soon as a buyer pays, you should aim to send the file within 24 hours. If you're using the classified ad format, direct communication with the buyer will be needed to arrange delivery details. Always remember to provide clear and concise instructions to ensure a smooth transaction for both parties. By following these steps meticulously, you'll be set up for success in selling ebooks on eBay. Happy selling!